Is AI our friend or foe? As the world moves further into the digital age, the debate over the potential impact of artificial intelligence, AI, has become increasingly heated. On one side of the debate are those who believe that AI is the future of humanity, on the other, those who fear it will cause more harm than good. In this video, we'll explore both sides of the argument and consider the potential implications of a world in which AI plays an increasingly significant role. We'll ask the question, is AI our friend or foe? Introducing AI. AI, artificial intelligence, is a broad term that refers to the ability of a computer program or machine to think and learn. AI can be used in a variety of different ways, from helping us with everyday tasks like making recommendations for what to watch on Netflix, to performing complex calculations for medical research. AI is becoming increasingly important in the world of business, where it is used to automate processes, analyze data, and provide insights that can help drive decisions and increase profits. AI has been around for decades but has become much more sophisticated in recent years, enabling businesses to do more with less. AI can help reduce costs, save time, and make processes more efficient, all while providing useful insights. Businesses that embrace AI can stay ahead of their competition and unlock new opportunities. What is AI's purpose? AI, or artificial intelligence, is a technology that is being used more and more in business. AI helps to automate processes and make decisions quickly, freeing up time for employees to focus on more creative tasks. AI's purpose is to process data faster than humans can, interpret it accurately, and take appropriate action. It can identify patterns, recognize speech, interpret data, and make decisions based on this information. AI can help businesses improve efficiency and customer service by helping them to make better decisions faster. AI can also help to reduce costs, increase accuracy, and improve productivity. As a whole, AI's purpose is to help businesses become more efficient, cost-effective, and productive. What are the benefits of AI? The potential benefits of artificial intelligence, AI, are tremendous. AI is being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare and education to retail and finance, to automate processes, identify patterns, and provide predictions that can lead to better decisions. For businesses, AI can help reduce costs, increase efficiency, and make better informed decisions. On the consumer side, AI can help create more personalized experiences by providing personalized recommendations and targeted advertising. AI can also improve safety and security measures through facial recognition and the development of systems to detect fraud. AI can also help us learn more about ourselves and our environment. AI algorithms are being used to monitor climate change, develop better treatments for diseases, and advance our understanding of how humans learn. The potential applications of AI are vast, and businesses and consumers alike stand to benefit from its capabilities. By leveraging AI, businesses can optimize their operations, while consumers can enjoy a more personalized and secure experience. What are the risks of AI? The use of artificial intelligence, AI, in business has become increasingly popular as companies seek to automate processes and make data-driven decisions. While AI can offer numerous benefits, it also carries certain risks that need to be considered before investing in any AI technology. One of the primary risks of AI is that it can be subject to errors due to its reliance on algorithms. While these algorithms can be highly accurate, they can still produce erroneous results due to the nature of the data they are given. As such, AI systems need to be regularly monitored and tested to ensure they are performing optimally and delivering correct results. Another risk associated with AI is that it can cause job losses due to automation. As more and more tasks are taken over by AI, there is less need for human workers. This could lead to a rise in unemployment in certain sectors, although this could be offset by the creation of new roles that focus on managing and improving the AI systems. Finally, there is a risk of security breaches if AI systems are not properly secured. If the system is not adequately protected, malicious actors could gain access to sensitive data or use the system for their own purposes. To prevent this from happening, it is important for businesses to invest in robust security measures and regularly review them to ensure they remain up to date. Overall, while AI offers numerous benefits, it is important to remember that there are risks associated with its use that must be addressed. Companies should carefully weigh the costs and benefits of any AI technology before investing, taking into account potential risks and how they can be managed. How can we improve the relationship between AI and humans? AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with each other. But it's important that we make sure the relationship between humans and AI is a healthy one. By understanding the potential risks and benefits of AI, businesses can develop strategies to ensure a beneficial relationship between humans and AI. First, businesses should focus on creating effective collaboration between humans and AI. To do this, it is important to understand how AI works and the goals it is attempting to achieve. By defining clear expectations of what the AI will do, businesses can ensure that both humans and AI are working together to create effective solutions. Another way to improve the relationship between humans and AI is by developing trust. Businesses should strive to build trust in their AI systems by making sure they are transparent about how their AI operates and what decisions are being made. Additionally, businesses should make sure their AI systems are reliable and secure. Businesses should also establish clear guidelines for how AI can be used in order to ensure ethical outcomes. Finally, businesses should make sure to emphasize the importance of human skills when deploying AI. By emphasizing the importance of creativity, problem-solving, and communication, businesses can ensure that humans remain in control of decision-making while AI helps to augment their efforts. By taking these steps, businesses can ensure that the relationship between humans and AI remains beneficial and leads to a successful future. Summary. In summary, artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that can be used to improve our lives, but it also comes with some risks. As AI continues to evolve, it is important for us to understand its purpose and the potential implications of its use. We must also work to create a relationship between humans and AI that allows us to make the most of the technology while minimizing any potential risks. By doing this, we can ensure that AI is a force for good in our future. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share for more awesome contents.